Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your identity inside Cash App. This is the only reliable path to higher limits. Open the app, tap your profile, then Personal. Enter your legal name and date of birth exactly as on official documents, and provide the last 4 digits of your social security number. If requested, supply the full SSN. Make sure your name and DOB match IRS records. Inconsistencies will delay approval. Once submitted, Cash App will start automated checks. Keep the app open and reachable. Next, reinforce verification by adding supporting information that speeds approval. Link a verified bank account or debit card and authorize a small deposit if required. This proves ownership. If Cash App prompts, upload a clear photo of a government ID, driver's license, or state ID, and take a selfie when asked for liveness checks. Also confirm your phone number, email, and residential address. Consistency across these fields reduces manual review. Once done, Cash App will rerun identity checks and update limits. Finish by waiting for the system to update your limits. This typically takes 24 to 72 hours. If approved, you'll see higher send/receive limits in settings. If your request is denied, review mismatch causes: misspelled name, wrong DOB, or mismatched SSN. Correct the fields, resubmit documents, and retry. If problems persist, contact Cash App support through the app, provide the verification reference or case ID, and politely request manual review. This often resolves edge case rejections.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.